Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings so you can change the look now. Click the three-dot menu in the top right, then choose Settings and then Appearance. This leads you to Theme Options and the Chrome Web Store link. It's faster than hunting through submenus. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Google account so the theme syncs across devices, and note that some themes change tab color while others alter the browser frame. You now pick a theme from the Chrome Web Store. This is where choices matter. Click Themes under Appearance, type a keyword or browse curated collections, and use thumbnails to check how tabs and new tab pages will look. Once you find one you like, click Add to Chrome to install. Chrome applies it immediately so you can preview. If colors reduce readability, undo quickly. Make sure to check contrast and toolbar visibility, because aesthetic themes can affect how easily you find controls. You finish by managing or reverting the theme when needed. If the new look doesn't work, go back to Settings Appearance and click Reset to Default Theme to return to standard Chrome immediately. Once done, check extensions if the theme bundled any extras and remove them via More Tools extensions. If colors or rendering appear wrong, make sure to disable hardware acceleration or clear the browser cache and restart Chrome. These fixes often resolve display glitches, so your chosen theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.